Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the ultimate low-risk, high-reward coaching goal, the gold standard. Imagine trading that grueling 50-hour hustle for a 20-hour work week. That's the dream, right?
I'm 3 months behind on invoicing. Ever felt that? Endless admin literally drains your coaching passion.
Custom demands create scope creep. Suddenly, you're doing unleveraged work, and boom, your profit margins just vanish.
Plus, chasing non-vetted leads traps you in this awful feast or famine cycle. It's a fast track to burnout.
Our target? Making $250K in 20 hours a week, fueled entirely by self-funded, done-for-you prospecting.
But here's the million-dollar question. How do we actually get there without that dreaded cold-calling hustle?
The secret is a micro-yes strategy. It's a funnel of easy agreements that totally eliminates awkward pitching.
It starts with done-for-you lead gen, flows into a quick free checkup, and ends with a paid plan.
This free 5-minute diagnostic instantly hooks prospects by finding major gaps in their operations, profit, or freedom.
That quick snapshot then naturally transitions into a highly detailed paid 90-day action plan.
Charging $600 to $1,000 for this paid assessment instantly covers your prospecting costs, self-funded.
The math is simple. Just 6 of those paid assessments reliably convert into 2 long-term coaching clients.
Next, clients execute their plan through either intensive one-on-one coaching or a collaborative peer group. Honestly, a hybrid peer group slashes travel time and drastically boosts your profit through virtual collaboration.
The core philosophy, freedom, the final metric. The ultimate goal is a business that runs completely without you.
So, what's this quick ROI timeline look like? How fast until actual financial freedom? Let's see.
It's an incredible 18-month trajectory, taking you from launch straight to that ultimate coaching dream state. Because those paid diagnostics self-fund your lead gen, you're totally cash flow positive by month 2. Next up, you're consistently hitting a massive $10,000 a month by month 6. And in just 18 months, you hit the gold standard, maximum revenue, minimal hours.
Crucially, this process also helps your clients build massive enterprise value for their own eventual lucrative exits.
So if your business relies entirely on you, do you even own a business? Ready to rethink that?